This video we are going to back up a Steam game from one PC to another. If you open Steam, you might be on different section. So you click on library, select any game you want to back up. Now I select this PUBG game. Now we go to gear icon and click on properties. After that we go to install files section and click on backup game files. After that we are going to browse the location of the game where we want to backup. We want to backup here. Click on rename the folder and select folder and create backup. Now it will take few moments to backup files, so I will just fast forward it. Now our backup is already completed. We will open the folder and see if it's there or not. We will check the properties. Yes, it's 36 GB. Now we will go to next PC. This is our next PC. We go to restore game backup, go to browse and click on the folder that we want to backup. So I think I pasted here. Yes, this is the folder. Now we restore backup and I'm installing on C drive. So yeah, now installing this game. It will take a while, so have some patience. It's 40 GB almost. Now the backup is completed almost. Yes, it's already complete. Now we'll play the game and check it will work or not. We play the game. So the game is opening. Now the game is all correctly. I hope you guys will like this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and like this video as well. Subscribe and like.